In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your background in Zoom using the Virtual Background feature. Virtual backgrounds are a quick and easy way to look more professional, protect your privacy, or simply add a bit of personality to your meetings. The best part is, you don't need any complicated setup. You can do everything directly inside your Zoom meeting in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, make sure you're already inside a Zoom meeting. The controls you need will only appear when you're in an active call. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the video button, the one you use to turn your camera on or off. Right next to that button, there's a small upward-facing arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow. This opens a menu with additional video options. From that menu, select Choose Virtual Background. As soon as you click it, Zoom will open the background settings panel. Depending on your version, this may appear on the side of your screen or in a separate window. Now you'll see a gallery of available backgrounds. Zoom provides a few built-in options that you can use right away. These are great if you want something quick and simple. Just click on any background and it will be applied instantly. You'll immediately see how it looks behind you. If you want something more personalized, you can upload your own image. To do that, look for the small plus icon, usually located near the top of the background panel. Click on it, then choose Add Image. Browse your computer and select the image you want to use. For the best results, choose a high-quality image with a simple design. Landscape images work best, especially ones with resolutions like 1280 by 720 or 1920 by 1080. These sizes help your background look clear and properly fitted on screen. Once you upload your image, it will appear in your background list. Click on it to apply it, and just like that, your custom background is live. Now, here are a few quick tips to make your virtual background look better. Make sure your face is well lit from the front. Good lighting helps Zoom separate you from the background more accurately. Also, try to avoid busy or cluttered images, as they can look distracting or glitchy. Also, avoid wearing colors that are too similar to your background. If you do, parts of your body might blend into the image, which doesn't look great on camera. If your computer supports it, you can also use features like background blur for a more natural look instead of a full image. And remember, you can change your background anytime during a meeting by following the same steps. It's quick, flexible, and very useful depending on your situation. So, just to recap, click the arrow next to the video button, choose Virtual Background, select a preset or upload your own image, and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more simple and practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.